welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nathina Antoinette. How are you? If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your constant love and support. If you watch my videos and you don't subscribe, thank you anyway, because they're still collecting coins. Say hi. If you don't know, this is Blythe. How old are you, Blythe?
2.
Can you spell your name? Did you say E at the end?
Yeah.
Okay, good job. You were whispering. I couldn't hear you. I wanted to do a fall daytime look for you guys, so that is what I did. If you want to see how I achieved this look, just keep on watching. I'm going to use my Juvia's Place everything really. I did not give these a fair shake the first time I used them. Start off by using my Pro Filter Instant Retouch Soft Matte Primer by Fenty Beauty, of course. Yeah. You want some? There you go. So now that we're primed, go ahead, rub it in. Awesome. You didn't get your forehead. Make sure you get your forehead. Good. All right, so I'm going to go in with my Juvia's Place All-in-One Magic Velvety Matte Foundation, and this is in Malawi, the 230 shade. Not quite a yellow gold, but
What's that?
let's go full coverage.
What's that?
It's foundation. Oh, we're gonna go right-handed today, I guess.
I want like this.
In my beauty blender, just gonna make sure everything is seamless. Oh, you guys like my earrings? My son bought these for me. My dad's church was having a crafts sale and they had some really super cute stuff. And Demore bought Blythe and I a whole bunch of cute little things. I guess he's trying to make sure he's straight for Christmas. He was legit like, here, these are Christmas presents for you and birthday and Christmas presents for Blythe. Yeah. I'm gonna use my highlighter, and this is in the shade 13. Big old doof. That thing is big, Andy. Let you see, Blythe. I'm letting you see, but I can't see.
I want some more shade.
I'm gonna put some on your face, okay?
Okay.
This is why this stuff gets done. Wow, you're at school. There you go. You know, Blythe, you would be able to have a beauty blender for yourself if you didn't always lose mine. Hold on. Let me try to get this straight over here real quick.
Okay.
Okay. I still want to let this dry down some before I go spreading that out, because I want my highlight to be pretty full coverage. And so I'm gonna go ahead and contour. I forgot how much product this stuff applies. Yeah. Applies in a good amount.
Bye.
Oh, you want some?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Do your thing. You want to go play for a little bit so mommy can do this?
No.
In the butt, and I'm gonna marry everything together.
Yours.
Yes.
Okay.
It is mine.
Thomas.
Oh, this is number 7, in case I didn't mention it.
Thomas.
Yeah, keep blending.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye, Dad.
You done?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
Oh my.
They're not yours.
Thomas.
They're not yours. They're
Someone.
mommy's.
No.
Yes, they are. Taking that brown from the Zulu palette and a fluffy brush, I'm gonna sweep that into my crease. Like from my nose contour on back. My lips are so dry and crusty right now.
Yeah.
Get away!
What's wrong?
Get on my nerves. A Daytime Fall Glam super beat, I guess you could say. So let's do orange, pink, and purple. That gives me fall vibes together. Let me see what this, how deep that is. I'm gonna start with orange. And I'm still kind of trying to get, you know, I'm still trying to adjust to the learning curve of this palette. So I start by packing the color on, because it gives me a little kind of like chalky vibe. You see how it's a lot, like, I don't know if that makes any sense. I'm gonna start off doing that there. Same brush, just a little flat brush I found from AliExpress. I'm gonna grab this pink. Let's see how this looks. And I'm gonna put that in there and sweep those two together a little bit. I think that's cool. What do you think? I think that's cool. And I'm gonna put purple beside that. Ooh, that's rich. I kind of think I want to halo that purple out a little bit. How would that look? I think that looks nice. Let's do it a little bit deeper. And then we're gonna have to go back. Hey, Bly. And if other beauty gurus, influencer, which I'm trying to make my way to, if they like plan out their colors before they do it, because I just be like, oh, I want to do this kind of a look, and then I sit down, I grab my palette, and I'm like, what colors am I gonna use? I'm not really organized and planned out when it comes to this. So when I'm recording and I be like, oh yeah, we're gonna do this, unless it was like something that's, you know, dead ass inspired, like I did the Cardi B inspired and another look inspired by my shirt. I'm gonna put that on this pink. I'm gonna put this on that pink shade in the center. This gives me kind of pinkish orange and purple reflectors. So let's put that in the center. Blush. For my blush, since this is daytime, I'm going to use, neither one of them have tops. I'm going to use this pink blush and this orange blush from MAC. I told y'all I only have MAC blushes. But yeah, this pink has a little reflective situation going on, so I'm going to keep that towards the front, towards the apples. Oh, look at that, that's so pretty. On my cheeks, not too much, but you know, enough to make it look good and colorful. Now I'm gonna take this orange and I'm gonna hit that towards the back. I'm gonna go ahead and powder my entire face using the Instant Retouch powder, and this is in the shade Nutmeg by Fenty. Y'all, this shit smells like heaven. It's crazy. All of that in. Push it, push it, push it. Making me nervous, kid. Now I'm gonna, you know, do the swirl and bring everything together. Underneath my lash line, I'm not gonna do eyeliner, but I am gonna take the pink and the orange and go under there, the sparkly shimmery pink. And I'm gonna start from my inner corner. I would do purple, but I feel like that's gonna take it too much to like evening. So I don't wanna smoke it out, I'm gonna brighten it out. Take Blake's little mirror. Actually, this is Kai's mirror, and she left it here. So, Blythe has been playing with it, and now I'm playing with it. I'm gonna use the NYX Dewy Setting Spray, since everything I used was pretty mattifying. And I'm gonna use my Maybelline Stay Matte ink, and this is in the shade Protector. I'm gonna use this on the outside of my lips. Okay. Did you flush the toilet? Yeah. I didn't hear it. MAC Peach Stock, which has a little bit of something else on it.
Oh, come on, Mommy. What's that?
Lipstick.
Lipstick?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
I'm gonna take the NYX and Ginger Snap. And go over that. this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I think it came out pretty well, although these are not the lashes that I was going for. It came out pretty well. Blythe changed her clothes. She's playing dress up. She changed her outfit I don't know how many times, but yeah. So I hope you guys like this tutorial. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and go follow me on my Instagram as well. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.
Bye.